with our forgotten names. We left home on the open road to find the holy flames. We are the children of a sun king. Hold on to my hand this mysterious evening. It'll meet us like a dream. Call out our names and we'll be found, walking where we heard the sound. On down Tomorrow Mountain we will climb. Tonight the stars and fire shines in our eyes. In the woods we're alive. Oh, oh, cloud by day and the fire of night, we will never look back. Young and old with a sojourner soul, illuminate the path. Follow where the moon does shine through the leaves of trees above. Wildlife, holy night, the ocean is singing. The earth trembles with his love. Call out our names and we'll be found, walking where we heard the sound. On down Tomorrow Mountain we will climb. Tonight the stars and fire shines in our eyes. In the woods we're alive. Oh, 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 roll over me. Let my body find peace and let my mind be free. Oh, my soul sings to thee. Oh, oh, oh. Sweet river, roll over me. Let my body find peace and let my mind be free. Oh, my soul sings to thee. My religion, he cut it to the bone like a needed incision. The cancerous growth of formulaic precision blocks the lifeblood in rebellious collision. Cold constructs robbing faith from decision. But where's your rubric now for the man that was risen? He is my vision, he is my vision, be thou my vision. When the tables are turned and our lost money earned and the temples are burned, by his scars we will learn about truth in the depths of our souls that are marred by the tooth of the beast. Underneath so many deceased, sold out suckers traded life to be yeast, just to get a piece or a status increase. Find grace and have peace when you eat the Lord's feast, and you eat of his flesh and his blood. It's coming quick and strong as the mightiest flood, and yet my mind still gets stuck in the mud. Bottom feeding on the trash like a catfish. Brats wish on all of that which is established to sit ill in our hearts and in our souls. Sweet river, roll. Sweet river, roll over me. Let my body find peace and let my mind be free. Oh, my soul sings to thee. Oh. River, roll over me. Let my body find peace and let my mind be free. Oh, my soul sings to thee. It's like the water in the valley, submerged totally. Yeah, all the children rally round the safety of their shallow belief. Let's swim against the current out and into the deep. But first I pray the Lord for my soul to keep. That price paid was not cheap as I stand knee deep in his blood. We're knee deep in his blood. See, I choose to refuse to substitute the regulated rhetoric of someone else's rehearsed ideals in place of a real living commitment. Yeah, no. We put the rock in the water and it made cement. We put the water with the wheat and then we made it ferment. Shine light through the rain and the spectrum represent. We pumping water through the veins and the brain's content. Went down to the river following providence. Oh man, underwater gonna die when he repents. Oh man, underwater gonna die when he repents. But there's a new man coming up with the wings to ascend. That son of man walks on water because he's heaven sent.